Couching stitch. Prepare lace thread. I'm using 6 strands and working thread. I prepared black color, same as lace thread and transparent. Come up with the lace thread and place it as you want on fabric. Take working thread and start attaching lace thread to the fabric. Come up and down in the same hole, wrapping light thread. You can create any shape. Lace thread can have more or less strands, same with the working thread. The work of the lace thread is to basically lay on fabric. Now I use black working thread. Don't be afraid to experiment with contrasting colors. Transparent thread. Come down with lace thread to finish stitch. Same color, black, transparent. Shapes can be more elaborate. It also helps to draw the design and place lace thread on it. The closer the stitches, the softer the rounding. Lace thread shouldn't be loose or too tight. You can go down and continue fastening lace thread. This is my work in progress couching stitch with yarn and transparent thread. "21 stitch sampler. Outline of the mountain. Fair scene pattern. Outline for the stalls. And all of it is couching stitch, except the short ones, it's straight stitches. Links to supplies I used and my patterns are in description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video!